In this video, I'll show you how to display roles separately from members on Discord. Ensure subscribe and turn on bell notification to the channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, if you head over to this server, you can see that if you look at this moderator role, it's above the rest, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that on your own Discord server. So ensure you watch through what I'm going to do right now, because I'm going to use my own Discord server as an example right here. So if I go to my Discord server, this is the HowTo server. This is basically a test server. If I come on here, right? Okay, if I come on here, let me say general chat, right? So I'll be able to see people that are online. So this is the first person that is online, this is the second person that is online, and I want the how to do to have the founder role above this, right? So what I'm going to do right now, you can do this in any Discord server you like, any Discord server of your choice, right? So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this server settings. So you head over to the roles, right? Then at first you need to adjust these settings, right? You're going to place it how you want it to appear. If you want this to be the first to show, this second, this third, this fourth, this fifth, this sixth, I made a video how you can create a Discord role, so ensure you can watch it out in my channel. So I'm going to click on this, right? I'm going to click on the edit. Once I've clicked on the edit, you're going to scroll down gradually. You see these display roles, display role members separately from online members. So I'm going to click. I'm going to turn this on, right? Once you have turned it on, your row is going to be showing above like any other row, right? This is going to be the first row to show once you head over to my Discord server. I'm going to click on the save changes. Once I'm done, head over to your Discord server. You can see the founder row. The founder row is showing right here, right? I'm the first person. So from that settings, the other rows would follow suit, right? So from the rows, I've adjusted it. So I'm going to come on here, do the same thing. The owner, give it like this, save changes, right? So at first, if you have created all your whole rows, you're going to come on here and adjust all the settings, right? Then the third one is going to be, I think the entrepreneur row, right? Okay, the community manager. I'll do this for the rest of the rows. So every rows would appear in sequence, right? So if you found this video helpful, share it out in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.